She's already too late. What's taken from her is still within reach. But reach is not the same as return. So as a mother, she steps forward anyway. But alone, it isn't enough. The python moves without warning. Fast, exact, and unforgiving. Even she feels it. She steps in, then stops short. Not because she won't, but because she knows what it costs to be wrong. One is not enough. Not for this, not against this. So another lioness arrives, fast. Not called, but understood. They don't move together, but they don't need to. One presses, one watches, then they switch. Even now, it holds 2 against 1, and still the python leads because control is already taken. Forward, back, around. No pattern, but no space either. The python turns with them. Head tracking, body holding, it doesn't choose one, it answers both. But pressure builds, not in force, in presence, because now it can't focus on just one anymore. Even as they push in, it does not let go. Because the fight outside is not the one that's trying to win. What is happening here requires more, and so she becomes part of it. No question, no delay. No one called them. Nothing organized this, and still they are here. 4 of them. 4 angles. Less space, less time. Each one reading the other without looking. A python doesn't crush, it constricts. Its coil is built to stop circulation. With each contraction, blood flow drops, not just air. Breaking that grip isn't about strength, it's about time. And time is exactly what they don't have. They feel it. Something changes. Not in them.